Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you make flip image in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's just take some image from here. Just like if I take this PNG image, let's make it scale to frame size. And after that, as you can see, this image here, all you need to do is just put an effect which is called basic 3D. Just search in the effects basic 3D and drop it in the clip like this. And after dropping it in the clip, as you can see, this effect here, swivel, just make it 180 like this. Just make it 180, and as you can see, the whole image has been flipped 180 degree. And if you want to this tilt, you can also do it, make it 180 again. And as you can see, the image is totally flipped. So guys, that's how you can flip image in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.